Hey guys, welcome back. So I have been wanting to do these fun videos on my channel lately where I think of a theme or I hear really popular things going on there and kind of find budget-friendly ways to help you recreate those ideas for fun events like bridal showers, bachelorettes, private little dinners. You know, us Mexicans, we like to celebrate everything. So pretty much a Tuesday night, I kind of want to plan it for you or help you plan it. So I've just been playing around with some themes here, and hopefully the more videos I make of these, the more creative I become. But for now, I have created 2 themes and they're going to be in 2 separate videos for you. And so this is the last one I just filmed, which is margaritas with my senoritas. I've been hearing it a lot lately, so I thought I would create a theme for it and go out, you know, dollar stores and try to find some creative ways and budget-friendly ways to make it happen. And if there's anything I didn't talk about that you liked, it's most likely because it's just a prop that I found inside my house or in my garage or leftover wedding items. So let's get on to the haul so we can get on to the planning or the fun stuff. This is the good stuff. Hang on, I'm just really not liking this bra with this top, but I don't want to change. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about are the cups, because what is a margaritas night without margarita cups? And I was on the prowl for these at the Dollar Tree, but I could not find them. Let me show you. I found these hot pink margarita cups, but I was really into this color. I also found these at the Dollar Tree. They were $1 obviously, but they are not margarita cups. I just ended up buying them because I just needed this color. I just had this color in mind, but for margaritas, margarita cup. But anyways, I found these at Target. They are from Opal House. I think it's a new collection at Target, and they're just so sturdy. So sturdy, really thick. I was really surprised them. I had to purchase them online because I didn't see them at my local Target. So yeah, I purchased these online, and they're just really pretty, and they have a really pretty like transparent turquoise. They're a little lighter than this one, as you can see. These are $2.99 per cup, but yeah, a lot sturdier. I think they're worth the $2.99. If you really take care of them, they will last you a long time. So now we'll talk about these. These are really cute summer props, and these are from Avon. I do sell Avon, so I get to see what's about to come out, and I think these are coming out for the summer. So they're really cute. Obviously, you can make your own props or whatever. Just order these, and these babies are ready. They are ready. It's 10 props for $10, so it's like $1 a piece. Really cute. It's pineapple. I feel like pina colada. So I love the idea of placing a prop per plate. Some events do take a while to start, so people can start playing around with these as they're waiting for it to begin. And then we have a little hello summer. I think we have 3 or 4 pairs of glasses, different kinds of glasses. Cute. A flower. We have the sippy cup over here. Really cute idea. Avon, $10. So easy, just order them and they come ready. So I also found these plates at the Dollar Tree. They have a lot of different types of platters with this print. It's like a little bit palm tree-ish. So obviously everybody knows this, like, it's in right now. So I thought I would pick up some. These are $1 each. And then I picked up these plastic pink ones. They come in 4 for $1. So I just thought it was a really pretty hot pink to give it a little bit of a contrast, that pop of color. And yeah, I think it worked perfectly along with that emerald green. It's just not the same color, but still everything it just works perfectly, don't you think? So 4 for $1 at the Dollar Tree, and then these right here are $1 each. We have 2 little flamingos here, and these were $1 each at the Dollar Tree. I honestly didn't know what I was gonna do with these. I was just like, flamingos, throw them in. They're everywhere. I wish I would have purchased like 2 more, but I think 2 were just enough touch. I don't want to go flamingo crazy either, but yeah, 2 were just enough. They're not like the most perfect flamingos, but you can tell what it is. So yeah, they're just cute little items like this that'll just elevate your event table, you know. So I also purchased these at the Dollar Tree, and these are citronella candles, or citronella. They're cute, they fit the theme, and it can help the mosquitoes, the flies, all that craziness go away. I kind of like the vibe that these 3 candles were giving together. They're just so different patterns, different colors. I just like the little vibe they were giving. And these I also purchased at the Dollar Tree. I thought it was really cute, and you can definitely use this over and over. I used this for the Final Fiesta video, which is what I purchased it for. I wanted to use it for that theme, but it also worked well with this theme, so I just reused it. And it's really cute, and I love it. I think it's really cute, and it gives a nice little vibe. And these were just used at my wedding, so I just reused it here with like fake candle. You can definitely put a real one in there, because that was the little vibe I was going for. So yeah, candles, Dollar Tree, get them there. They're cheap, and apparently they have really cute ones. Super cute. I super love them. A bit modern, because it's just a little different mixtures, and that's what America is all about. Different mixtures. Let's keep it moving. This little thing here was a 99-cent store purchase, and it was $1.99. So I saw the flamingos, and I was like, flamingos are in. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for. I think I've been having it for 2 months in my closet, and yeah, it fit well with this theme here. And it came with a bunch of little cute sayings, so I just left this one there. It says choose to be happy, and then I just added some pictures of my husband and I when we went to our honeymoon. This is based on whether you're doing this event for like a bachelorette type of deal. But you can definitely add the pictures that you are celebrating or will fit your theme, whatever your little heart desires, whatever you're throwing the party for. That's what this is for. So I thought it was cute. It fit great. $1.99, if I didn't tell you. $1.99. You can just put it anywhere. I love it. It's really cute. It's just like a little canvas thing like that. Love. And that is all. That is all that I purchased. This little item right here was actually used for my bridal shower. My maid of honors bought it for that specific event, and they let me have it. So I've just been reusing it, and I'll probably reuse it throughout the event things that I am going to film. So yeah. By the way, as I'm putting together the table, I do switch around a lot, because I'm going through these ideas as I'm putting the table together. So yeah, I just wanted to show you this little process here. You just get some lemons and put it in this little thing right here was $1 at the Dollar Tree. So yeah, this is a cute little way to decorate your tables, especially if they're going to be like tropical or like fresh. You can use the yellow fresh lemon. It's really up to you. Whatever you see fits your theme better and your budget, that's what you work with. Okay, so let's get down to the fun part, and let's get inspired. Let's do it. not filming when I created this, but margaritas with / con, the Spanish word, me, señoritas. There's the margarita part. It's pretty good. It's pretty decent. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like the video, because that'll let me know that you like these kind of videos, that you're interested, and I can just continue to do this, because like I said, I have so many ideas for you and I would like to see those come alive. So as you like the video, you're just letting me know that you're interested in this, so do that, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the other ones. Thank you for watching.